Yeah guys, welcome back to this channel. So into this video I'm going to show you how to post anonymous. And what I mean is you don't want anybody to know that you're the one that posts it. It's going to hide your name, hide everything about you, but you're going to make a post on our group. So let's go started. Now open our Facebook. Open your Facebook. Now let's go to the groups. We want to make a post. Click on the group. Now we have to write something. Now if you look at this place post anonymous, just open it and now click on got it. Now this is it. There's a private. Everything you write, anything is not going to show that you're the one that write it. So just write something. I need just click on post and this is it, and that one will also be pending, but it is going, you can see anonymous. It is not going to show your name that you are the one that posted. It's not going to show your name. So this is very good. If you don't want people to know that you're the one that made a post on a particular group, you can just click on that anonymous and it's going to go directly to the group. You posted it without letting them know your name, but the admin of that group must also allow the post to go before it goes. So the post has to be on pending. It depends on a group. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the subscription button please. It helps a lot for my channel, and click the like button and drop a comment. Thank you guys.